Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by adding your Google account to the iPhone so calendars can sync. Once you open Settings, go to Calendar, then Accounts, and tap Add Account, choose Google, and sign in. Make sure Calendars is toggled on for that account. This authorizes two-way sync. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that step. Once done, the phone will register Google as an account option for events and let the system fetch calendar data in the background. Now you handle event routing and syncing behavior. You can move existing events by opening the event in the Calendar app, tapping Edit, and changing the calendar to your Google Calendar. That writes the event to Google. To make future events use Google by default, go to Settings, right arrow Calendar, right arrow Default Calendar, and pick your Google Calendar. This ensures new events are created in Google, avoiding fragmented calendars across services, and guarantees changes propagate both directions when the Google toggle is enabled. Finish by verifying synchronization. Open the Google Calendar app or the web calendar to confirm events moved and new ones appear. If things fail, first toggle calendars off for the Google account, wait a few seconds, then toggle it back on. Re-add the account if needed. Also make sure background app refresh is enabled and Settings, right arrow Calendar, right arrow Accounts uses push or a short fetch interval. If an event still won't move, edit and reassign its calendar. That forces a fresh write to Google.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.